This has 15,000 miles on it, and it's just starting to register oil on the fill. So it's up to here. These lines are starting to collapse. I'm switching over to a hard plastic, and if this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to go to true emissions lines, really thick rubber, so it doesn't collapse under vacuum, but can also handle these types of gases. I'm gonna show you the emptying out of it. I can tell you this, it stinks. There's a little bit of water in here, so you can't really tell if there's water. Ooh, but it's coming out really thin. Does sort of smell. Oh, and there's the water. Shoot, you can't see it. It's coming out all goopy. Let it run out for a little bit. How thin this was, I'm going to already assume that there's a lot of gasoline vapors. A lot of this is probably going to be due to cold startup in the morning. Everything's not warmed up. Everything's not burning right. There's going to be a lot of fuel vapors going past. And then when it's burnt off, you also do get water vapors. Yeah, get that chunky stuff out of there. I'm actually impressed about how little water's in here. There it is. Definitely not all just oil. A lot of this, I think, is just, a lot of it deals with the vapors, the unburnt vapors in the crankcase, which is good because that's what you want to get out of your crankcase. You don't want this in your oil, especially when you're doing longer oil changes. You want to get this out of there. So that is why crankcase ventilation is necessary. But at the same time, you think all this stuff is kind of sticky and goopy and dirty. It's going to adhere to those valves, creating a surface for the overlap of the exhaust to stick on your intake valves and carbon up. So that's a good little water bottle. It's a good representation of how necessary this is, because of this. Unchecked. Car companies might not put this on a car. You'll have to come up with a system where this auto drains. Well, you can't drain it because of EPA, and you don't want to put this back in your oil. It's just better to burn off. Having a filter like this means extra maintenance for the customer. It is not a good sell. This is purely a good aftermarket idea for longevity of your car. Otherwise, mainly car companies just got to get past their engine warranty, and that's all they care about.